Hello, my name is Tushar
Hello, my name is Shrivats.
and we are from Skyward. This week topic is reasons of stresses among online and traditional learning. So let me explain you first. Stress during learning process is thought to enhance the memory formation while at the same times it also hinders the memory retrieval. Together it's like a two-edged sword. It means it both has a positive and a negative effect. Okay, Srivat, so can you tell the viewers about some of the common reasons which lead them to stress in online learning?
The common challenges which may be faced by the students while they are learning online can be categorized as. So, the first point is technical issues. The second, distractions and time management. Third, staying motivated. Fourth, understanding course expectations. Fifth, lack of in person interaction. Sixth, adapting to unfamiliar technology. So, Tushar, by all these points, what I meant to say is that these may create an hindrance in your learning process, which may lead to stress and can affect your concentration and consistency. So, Tushar, let me ask you about the same aspects, but for the traditional learning.
Srivas, these are the points which may lead to stress in traditional learning. So the first point is one size fits all approach. Second point is driven by fear of exams. Third point is teacher student ratio in classroom. So by all this, I just want to sum up that one size fits all approach is not suitable for the students as each and every student have different kind of interest. By the fear of exams, I just wanted to say that traditional learning is still following and the students are still basically driven by the fear of exams. And the last point, I just wanted to say that there is a ratio between the teacher and the student. In the rest of the world, it is 1 is to 10, but in India, it is 1 is to 40, which is completely not suitable for a teacher to handle 40 students.
So, Tushar, let's end this video. And our viewer must have understand what we were trying to say because we know every viewer must have their different aspects and contribution towards the education. And viewers, we must tell you that you can also share your thoughts in the comment section below.
And do like and subscribe our channel if you are new to this channel. And also, as said by Shrivats, please leave your comment in the comment box. So do check out the Google form for which the link is given below in the description and leave your thoughts and views about the technology for the new education.
Tushar, let's end this video here. My name is Shrivats
My name is Tushar
and signing off.
Thank you.